Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a really good video today and we're going to be working with this on this lock repair together, okay? So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and I thank you to my new subscribers. I only have like 14 subscribers right now, but you know everybody starts at 1. But yes, we're going to be doing a lock repair together. I have never done a lock repair, so we're going to be doing it together today. Okay, so about a year ago, I accidentally cut my locks. As you can see, the rest of them, it's not that much longer than the rest of them, but I accidentally cut it. Look at that. And I'm going to show you. And the way I cut it, I was trying to take braids out of my hair, and I accidentally cut my hair. So, you know how that goes. We cut our natural hair all the time, taking braids out. But, so let me show you my lock. I kept it in here for a year. And honestly, it doesn't even look like the one, like it came off that lock, because I feel like this lock is thicker than this lock, but it's the same lock. So we're gonna be pinning these back. Let me just hold it down here like that, and then we're gonna pin the other side down so we can have the only one exposed. So we're gonna take it back here. And guys, like I said, this is gonna be we're gonna be doing this together, so we'll see how that. Anyways, look, I got this from Amazon because I got a lock tool. I wish I could show you this lock tool I got, and it broke. It broke. If I could show you guys, you know the lock tool I'm talking about. It's wooden. I think it was a 0.5 millimeters or 0.7 millimeters, whichever the case is. It broke. It was cheap. It didn't work. So don't go buy it. Please don't go buy it. Please, you just save your money. But anyway, I got this one from Amazon, which I will put in the description if you like. It comes with this little thing right here. Comes with this one. Comes with this, which I already have like 2-3 of these. It comes with this one here, a smaller one. Oh, let me tell you. Actually, yes. So this is a 0.75 millimeter. And this one is a 0.75, but this one has 2. It's the same size, but it has 2 on it. Then I have a 3-prong and 0.75. One last thing in here. Oh, and it came with another one, a silver and a gold one like this. So basically this. Oh, they're different. One look like it's slightly bigger than the other. So these two. Wait a minute. And it's a pouch to put everything in when you're done. So, but anyways, I'm gonna start with the oh god, now I got the hiccups. That's just great. So I'm gonna start with the one prong situation. Oh, excuse me guys, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna be probably hiccuping. Okay, sorry. Anyways, so we already have this apart. Oh, I think I have to comb this out a little bit. If I could remember, I haven't watched a lock repair video in a while, I believe. Have I even watched a lock repair video? I don't know, but I imagine this is what you have to do. So we're just gonna comb the ends out. And like I said, I'm doing this. This is the first time me ever doing this. So we're doing it together. So if you want to learn more about lock videos, continue watching this, because we're here to learn, honey. We are here to learn. And I don't know where my rat tail comb is. This one is this one. Kinky hair? This is for baby hair. But that's all I have right now. And it's yellow, one of my favorite colors. cut. Just trying to comb it apart so I can put the, ooh, oh, this is, trying to do this while showing you guys as well. As you can see, this little piece, well, where did it go? Little piece came out. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this, but we sure in the hell's gonna try. Okay, and this one is kind of combed out a little bit. Focus. 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 Camera. All right, let's try to hurry up. Uh-oh, I have 15% left on my phone. Okay, let's comb this part out. We're gonna comb the cut off lock end out, and yeah. So I think I'm doing this right. All right, now what we're gonna do is put these two together, like just kind of overlap it a bit, like this. See that? Just gonna overlap it. This is my first time, y'all. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but we sure as hell's gonna try. So what I'm doing is just basically taking one hair and pulling out to the other side. Right? Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna take the hair, push it through, take that other hair and just bring it to the other side and continue doing that until it kind of like hey, okay. I'm just gonna continue going. Hopefully y'all could see this because I can't. I'm just gonna be filling with my fingers. Oh my God, it's actually coming together. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. It's actually working. Okay, let's just keep going. Oh my God, wait a minute. This is actually, it's already come. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but let's keep going. And the thing I like about these is because you can hold it. You can hold it better. I feel like you have a better handle on this, and it have little grippy parts on the side, as you can see here. And I think on Amazon you can get it in different colors. So I don't know. I don't remember. It's been a while. I was supposed to repair my lock about a year ago, and just never got around to do it. So I'm doing it now. So if y'all would like, though, I would put it in the description bar though for you. But anyway, let's keep going. This is actually coming together. I'm so surprised it was this fast. I didn't. I expected for me to be here good maybe 30 minutes or more, an hour. But this is actually working. Oh my, are you kidding me? This is good. And I didn't think I could do it. About, I would say last, maybe fall, I met this lady in the parking lot, and she does locks, and she gave me the card. And when I called her, she told me that I would not be able to get just one lock repair. If I wanted to get my hair one lock repair, that she would have to do my whole head. And that was like $100 and something. And I was like, you know what, ma'am? No, thank you. And that's why I went to Amazon and got these. I don't know. I just can't if I could do it myself, y'all, I'm gonna do it. And that's just that. I'm gonna do it. And I know everybody have to make their money, but I'm not willing to pay $100 to have my hair washed and retwist and all this stuff. So okay, so I don't know. So what I'm doing, guys, is just taking the hair, the crochet needle, and I'm putting it inside of the lock. And what I'm doing with the loose hair is bring it back in the lock until it's smoothed out all the way down. It's a little different there, but over time, if it does kind of slip, I know what to do now. I know what to do now. Oh my God. So the lady, yeah, I told her no thank you, you know, like that is just too much. Everybody have to make their dollar some type of way, but man, listen, I'm gonna do this myself, okay? I love doing DIY projects anyway, so if I could learn on myself, that's what we gonna do. All right, so let's see. So this is it. Oh, I actually repaired, look at that, guys, from the side. I actually repaired my lock. I'm excited. Okay, so now that I've repaired my lock, I could always, if my lock slips, I know how to do it now. Oh man, look at that. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for me, and it's my hair, so it ain't perfect. I almost cannot tell where I put the hair together at, but I'm thinking it's like right here, right? Yeah, right there. Yeah. So basically, you have to. This is what I did. The cut lock and the my lock that's connected to my hair. What I did was overlap it like this with the loose ends, and then bring those between each other and keep pulling until there is a bond, and then it's like back to normal, you know, back to normal. So that bond is there. It's not gonna fall apart. That's the plan, right? But it just holds together and it doesn't slip. And this is it. So anyway, guys, if you'd like to see more videos or Q&A questions about my locks, how long I've been locked, what I use, what kind of oils I use, you know, all those different type of stuff, right? How I started my locks, was it crocheting? Was it twisting? Was it plaits? How did I start my lock? All those questions will be in another video. Let me know and I will make a video. Like I said, I only have 14 subscribers, and I thank you for my subscribers that I have now. Started off at 1. And if you're new here, subscribe. Welcome to the family. And yeah, I'm finished with my lock. You can't even tell. Look at that. I'm excited. Look at, wow. I'm actually surprised that I did this, and it was so fast. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.